everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Filmora application using your Android phone. To log out of Filmora, the process is quite easy, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open the Filmora application from your app drawer. From the home page of Filmora, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the top right hand corner. If you're logged into your Filmora account, you will be able to see these options. Click on the Member Center option and this will take you to your profile. You will be able to see a little exit button at the top right hand corner. Tap on it and then click on Sign Out in the pop-up to sign out of your Filmora account. And within a few simple steps, you will be able to log out or sign out of Filmora application. You can still edit videos even if you are logged out of Filmora, so that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.